cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
I ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all this jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top.
Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we'll be doing another Nails and Designs experiment number 25, blue BMW polka dots mani. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this particular manicure, then please keep on watching. So yeah guys, this is a brand new designer logo stamping plate that I got from Vatum.com. It's stamping plate DAPA1-01. They were advertising this on Instagram and I was like, you know what the heck, you know, I can experiment with this plate. It has all the designer logos, and you know, I waited for it to come in the mail, and when it came I was so excited to try it. However, I did have a little bit of a difficult time using it, as you will see in the video. But right now, I'm just adding my Sally Hansen nail hardener to all of my nails, first and foremost, and then I'm going to let this dry and proceed on. So for this particular manicure, my idea was to do a couple of the nails white with the actual BMW logo, do a couple of the nails blue with polka dots, and then leave one of the nails plain. And that is the goal for this. So I'm starting off with the white polish, and I painted my middle finger and my thumbnail white, and those are the nails that will receive the BMW stamper, and then the rest of the nails will be blue. However, only a couple of them will have the polka dots. So I'm just showing you the actual steps. I do try to clean up any mistakes that I'm making along the way. So that's what I'm doing, just cleaning up any mistakes. I also want to say that you will not see me doing the thumbnail in this particular video because it was out of frame and I didn't know it. So that's the only reason why you won't really see that. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm just polishing all of the nails the colors that I want them to be, and that's what I'll be doing in these clips. Between each layer of polish, I am going to sit under my hot cold dryer. I did want to mention that the blue color that I'm using is actually the SXC Cosmetics Nail Polish C6 Pastel in Aqua. And then the actual white color that I'm using is LA Colors Color Craze Gel CNP 741 Flurry. And then for the polka dots, I'm using the Maybelline Color Show Polka Dots Blue Marks the Spot number 95, I think. And as far as the stamping polish, that's by Born Pretty, stamping polish number 3 in black. Of course, the Wet n Wild Fast Dry 241A clear the air top coat. I'm using the Lantern and Wren Seriously Slim nail stamper, thin pencil nail art stamper. And for my liquid latex, I'm using the Queen latex tape liquid peel off cuticle guard. And those are the actual polishes and everything that I'm using to do this manicure. Now right here I'm working on my second coat, and like I said, between the layers I am going to the nail dryer, even though you don't see that, but I do try to make sure that each layer of polish is completely dry. So that's what I'm doing in these clips. So right here I'm about to start the stamping process, so I do want to go ahead and use the liquid latex to guard the surrounding area of the nail, just because I'm going to be trying to stamp in different spots on the nail to make it look like it was actually a decal, but I'm stamping them on individually. And I'm showing you that I'm using the BMW symbol for the design. And I'm also using, like I said, the black stamping polish by Born Pretty in the number 3, as well as the Lantern and Wren Seriously Slim nail stamper, thin pencil nail art stamper. And that plate again is the stamping plate DAPA 1-01. So that's what I'll be doing on this particular clip. However, I do want to say that you'll see that I did go ahead and stamp the actual logo on, and it did not come out right, so I had to redo the entire nail as far as polishing it, you know, starting over from the beginning, starting with the nail hardener and then the actual LA Colors Color Craze Gel CNP 741 Flurry nail polish, which is that white color, and then, you know, beginning to stamp them, well, stamp that particular nail again. Like I said, these designs are really small. I'm not sure how it would have worked if I had used a bigger stamper, but I used a small one and I still had a difficult time transferring the actual design. So I will work with it further to try to, you know, become better at using this particular plate. But so far, it's not my favorite. It's not, you know, user friendly. You have to be very intricate about how you're stamping and how you're transferring and all of that. So like I said, it is a little bit difficult to work with. However, I did end up pulling it off after a bunch of trial and error. So yeah, as you can see, I have to wait on that nail hardener to dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and top off my nails that I want to have the polka dots with that Maybelline Color Show Polka Dots Blue Marks the Spot number 95. And I just use this particular polish. It's like a glitter polish. I've had it for a while. I don't even know if they still make that, but I like it. So this is how I achieved the polka dot look. And I did that for both my index finger and my ring finger. And right here, I'm just prepping my middle finger for the stamping process again. So I'm going to try this again. Like I said before, it took a lot of trial and error to get this to actually do right. As you can see, on this video, I do already have my left hand done, so I was able to do that one pretty easily. However, I only stamped one nail, but on this particular hand I'm stamping 2 nails, and it became more and more difficult. However, I'm just showing you what I did on this particular clip. So yeah guys, once you finish stamping the nail, you want to remove the liquid latex from around the nail as quickly as possible, and then you want to follow up with your top coat. And on this clip I am putting the top coat polish on all of my nails, just to make sure that everything is sealed in. Now what I think that I'm going to try next with this particular plate is to actually make some decals, just to see if that will work better for me, because just stamping them directly from the plate to the nail is a bit difficult. So I'm going to try that next to see if I come up with a better result. And as far as these results, I wasn't 100% pleased. However, it was okay, and I was just really, irritated with this particular session, so I just wanted to go ahead and get it over with. I felt like my nails didn't have to be perfect or anything like that, but they were okay. I just felt like they could be better. So I think what ended up happening, like the next day or something like that, I redid that actual middle finger. So that's why on my final results on this particular video, I'm not showing that hand, because technically that's not the results that I ended up with. So I just showed you the hand that I kept the same, which was the left hand. So anyway guys, I do want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I really appreciate your time and energy. And this video is just to show you that we all make mistakes, and everything is trial and error. However, I do hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so profitable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady, we won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Orient all